Now, sugar is another sector. You've got a few, smaller sugar companies which are buzzing, Ugar Sugar and a few others. Manisha is here to tell us what is happening in terms of sugar prices globally and strong offtake in terms of the sugar export quota, Manisha?
Yes, that's exactly the two of the major reasons that you have seen the sugar prices and the sugar stocks as well do well. If you look at the international markets, we have the raw sugar prices, which are London-based, trading at a 7-month highs. It actually has been last 2 weeks when you have constantly seen the sugar prices continue to gain up. So not just London, if you look at the New York sugar prices, they are trading at a 5-month highs as well. And the global trades is really short covering when you look at the trade therein, because the prices, the expectation was that the global markets would be looking at a surplus next season at around 3.5 million tons. So this is the reason that a lot of traders went short here. But with the kind of price rise that you are seeing, with the kind of concerns on Brazil crop, Argentina, even Europe for that matter, the yields are expected to be on the lower side, and that is showing onto the sugar prices there. The second major reason clearly comes in from Indian markets here, where we are looking at an export quota of 6 million tons versus a record 11.2 million tons of an actual exports that we did last year. So a lower quota has led to some buying in the international markets. Out of the 6 million quota that was decided on 1st of November, nearly 4 million tons has already been contracted for exports. Remember, this quota is on until October 2023, and the government perhaps will take a view by end of January on whether or not they can increase this quota. So that is exactly what the markets are looking at. The third important thing is that a lot of sugar mills now seem to be renegotiating on the international prices also, because the international prices have run up. So we do understand that nearly 4 lakh tons of sugar that was already contracted, there are some renegotiations happening on this one because of the run-up that we've seen in the international prices.
Thank you very much, Manisha, for that.